With an automatic transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This BMW features keyless entry, power steering, and alloy wheels. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include xenon headlights, navigation system, and a CD player with MP3. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.